See shortcuts to areas like Lesson Notes, Vocab Bank, and Fluency Reader. At the top, note your level, progress bar, and daily tasks. In the text input panel, set the mode drop-down to either Translate or Lesson. For this tutorial, select Translate. Next, choose your input language using the first flag drop-down. These options include English, Romanian, Ukrainian, and German. Note that the output is set to Danish, that you can switch using these toggles. Click in the text area labelled English Text and begin typing your sentence. If you are typing in Danish, you may need Danish vowels. They are within a mouse reach, so there is no need to mess around with understand shortcuts on your keyboard. Just click the Danish letters and they are inserted into the text. Danskai also provides other helpful tools around the text area. You can attach PDFs or images for translations, use a microphone for speech input, or the camera icon to scan text. You can also control and click a word for instant lookup. Once your sentence is entered, click the Quick Translate button below the area. Danskai instantly displays the Danish translation in the AI Danish Tutor panel on the right. You can click individual words to save the vocab bank and listen to the phrase in Danish. For a deeper analysis, click the blue Analyze button in the AI Danish Tutor panel. The AI processes your text and returns detailed feedback such as alternative most common phrases, grammar insights, and cultural notes. After analysing, you can also use the Learn This button to save the entire phrase to your learning queue. Additionally, click the Save to Vocab button on the Translate tab to store individual words for later practice. Click Lesson Notes in the left-hand menu. You'll see a My Notes panel with a tag filter at the top and a list of notebooks and folders underneath. Each notebook can contain multiple dated entries, and coloured tags beside each entry highlight grammar topics, vocabulary themes, or homework tasks. To add a new note, click New Note. A pop-up will appear asking for a note title and note type. The type can be a lesson or homework. Enter descriptive titles such as Week 3 Vocab and Grammar and choose Lesson. Then click Create Note. Once inside your note, use the Central Editor to type freely. The toolbar above lets you choose headings, bold or italicize your text, create bullet lists, and insert tables. The Quick Insert panel adds structured items like date, Danish date week number, learning objectives, vocab lists, grammar sections, exercises, and reflections. When you highlight or double-click a word, a floating toolbar appears. Here, you can do your quick translate, open the dictionary for past tense, flag issues, hear pronunciations, and add to vocabulary. You can also insert a footnote. Footnotes are a great way for adding cultural context or grammar explanations without breaking your flow. On the right-hand side, you'll see Kai, your personal Danish tutor. Toggle Use Note context to let Kai analyse what you're writing, and switch on Svar på modersmål if you want to reply in your native language. Ask Kai questions in either Danish or English, and he will provide explanation examples or exercises in real time that you can add to your footnotes. As you write, Kai will highlight words or phrases directly in your notes using coloured backgrounds. Click on these to view suggestions, then choose to accept or ignore. If you prefer handwriting or have printed material, Danskai makes it easy to digitise them. Click Upload or import photos or PDFs from your device. Danskai will automatically extract text using OCR so you can edit them. You can also click Scan QR to display a QR code. Scan it with your smartphone to up directly from your phone. Once you finish writing or editing, click Save to store your changes. You can expand or collapse notebooks and filter by using the tags at the top of the page. After you've saved your notes, Danskai will automatically analyse it and add the coloured tags that summarise your main topics, like grammar points, vocabulary themes, and homework tasks. Use all these tag drop-down features notes for specific topics such as dative for past tense. Danskai can also pull vocabulary straight from your notes. Highlight a word and click Add Vocab to save to your vocabulary bank, or click Grab Vocab to let Danskai scan the entire note for new words. It will automatically extract unfamiliar vocab and store it for you. Each completed note generates an AI summary. This section highlights the main topics, key Danish concepts, vocab, and grammar usage. It also lists grammar and spelling mistakes, cultural reflections, and recommended next steps to improve. Use the summary to track your strengths and identify what to practice next. To test yourself, click Start Practice from Notes or Quiz Your Notes in the AI Tutor section. Danskai will generate comprehensive questions based on your notes, covering